this is what's going on with my hard drive right now. As you can see, okay, here's a Mac. I'm about to plug it in. I got the WD external hard drive. I'm about to plug it in, and it makes this noise. So, yeah, I don't know what the heck it is. It just keeps making this noise. Not sure. So now all my work, I'm not sure what's going on. WD or Western Digital is sending me a new USB cord, but who knows. So anyways, that's what's going on with my external hard drive, where I have all my work, all my unedited images and edited images. So yeah, kind of frustrating. Very, very frustrating.